Kaka. I'm 20 years old, a lot of years ago. I feel like 28.
Okay.
Because of the people around me, I have been staying here for almost 30 months, and I can say that I kinda like the life in the Philippines. The Philippines are very warm, healthy, hospitable, and most Filipino men love Korean girls. I know one person, but I can't say the name. As I stay here, I have met a lot different people with a different personality. Some of them are very interesting, some are odd, but in a good way. Very talkative, other things about food, things about the way they do. And some people are so funny. So after a long time thinking about the topic for my presentation, I have decided to make a presentation about my tutors. Each of them has a different way of teaching and with different characters. These are my top 4 tutors. Okay. Rank fourth in my list is Lil Esper, known as my Mr. Dynamite. She's the one girl tutor I have for my man-to-man class. She's my girl number 99. 8 a.m. class is usually sleepy, but with her loud voice and great sense of humor, it makes me wake up. She likes to talk a lot, I think. I just usually listen and smile, and after she starts talking, it's already 15 minutes. I think 50 minutes is not enough. Time really flies so fast. When you are enjoying, I learn a lot of things from her. Rank third is my list is Anthony, known as the Grammar King. I'm not sure if Anthony is a he or a she. I love Anthony because he reminds me of someone that I knew. At first, I thought he's a real man, but as they passed, I noticed something different. Real men don't like another man. He has good writing and acting skills. He always corrects my terrible sentence every time I talk. I can say that he's really good in grammar. Rank second is my body tutor, Richard. Known as the charming guy. It's because most of his students and friends like his dimple and sense of humor. He's a good friend of mine. He teaches me grammar. He's funny and famous amongst girls. Don't know why. And I think he's the most handsome tutor in CNC. I love to stay in his room because it's full of pictures. So he's still number 2 in my tutor. And lastly, rank first in my list is Wesley, known as the funny cool guy. The first time I saw him, I thought he's a Korean. So I talked to him using Korean language. I asked him a lot of questions like, what is your name? Where do you live in Korea? How old are you? But after I finish talking, he just only say, it's nice to meet you too. So I kept on laughing. He taught a lot of useful expressions. I consider him as my little brother. Even so, my English is not real good. He tries and he tries his best to understand me. We always laugh because he's really good in making funny jokes. Sometimes I feel like I'm talking with an American because of his good accent and pronunciation. I always hang out with him every weekend. Every day I'm always looking forward to his class. Wesley is one of the best persons that I have ever met, and he's very clean because in his room he has a collection of alcohol. I really wanted to thanks all of them for teaching me English and being a good friend. Without them, maybe I will feel bored and uninterested to study English. Thank you for helping Gias, Tomo, etc. Smith. The last Stephen Paul Jobs said, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." Thank you very much for listening to my presentation.